Good morning, children. I hope you are all safe by staying in the home. The children, in the last class we discussed about the linear equation one variable along with that is some examples also question completed now. Yes, so that is by taking that only single variable. Yes, so in this class we should be go through that some verbal problems based on that linear equation one variable only. Yes, the children once have to see that is what exactly the question is. Yes, so if two-thirds of a number, okay, two-thirds of a number, which number is, we don't know that is. Yes, children. So that's why what you want to take it means is let the number be x. Okay, yes, let the number be x. So then two-thirds of a number means is 2 by 3x. Yes, is greater than, okay, is greater than 1/4 of the number by 5. Okay, 1/4 yes of the number means is x. How much is the greater? By 5. Okay, so greater means the plus notation plus 5. Okay, so it will be simplified. This both will become is you will be get that is x value. Yes, so there is a process to find that this solution. Yes, this will understand the process is next. So here is let the number be x. Yes. So now two-thirds of the number is two-thirds of number. So it's equals to 2 by 3x. Yes, as well as 1/4 of the number. Okay, so 1/4 of number. So is equals to 1/4x. Yes, so according to problem, yes, according to problem, what is the condition, children? 2 by 3x is equals to 1/4x plus 5. So then x values one side you have to take it now and constants one side you have to take it. Then afterwards we should take the LCM now. X. So that is based on this condition 2 by 3x minus, okay, plus 1/4 becomes, if we take z, left hand side means the minus one should end, that is 1/4x is equals to 5. Yes, so then by taking LCM the 3 and 4 will become 6. How much should be value, 12. Yes, so then LCM of 3 and 4 is equals to 12. Yes, so then based on this one 2 by 3x into how much on the way to get the 12 now? By 4 minus 1/4x, how much on the way to 3 by 3, so it's equals to 5. Yes, so then based on this one 3 4 is 12, it means 2 4 is 8x by 12 minus 1 3 is 3x by 12 is equals to 5. Yes, so now taking the result LCM becomes 12 now, that is 8x minus 3x is equals to 5. Yes, so 12 how to send that is, that is 8x minus 3x is 5x is equals to 5 into 12. Yes, so then 5x is equals to 12 5 is 60. Then x is equals to 60 by 5. So 5 1 is 5 12 is x is equals to 12. So therefore the number is 12. Yes. Yes, let's understand now. We are going to the one more problem now. That is, a man left 1/4 of his money, yes, to his wife. Okay, so a person having some of the amount he is sharing. Okay, he is donating or is giving now, yes, to his wife and son, and some of that amount, remaining amount will become his one charitable trust. Yes, so how much part is giving out of the total amount is? Yes, so by giving the conditions is 1/4 of the amount to his wife. Okay, 1/4 of the amount to his wife and 2/5 of that amount to his son. Okay, how much total amount is there with him? In that is 2/5. Okay, as 2/5 of the amount to his son and remaining balanced amount. Okay, remaining balanced amount is donating to the charitable trust, that is 21,000. Okay, how much he is saving the children? 21,000. Yes. So then, and what is asking the question from this one now? So how much money did he now? Okay, so actually how much is having the amount? Yes. So that amount you have to be find it now. After says how much the amount received by his wife and son. Okay, how much they received? Yes. So we have to be find it now. Yes. So let the total amount will become, I am taking as a X rupees. Okay. Yes. So then will become says how much amount what is it? Wife is it? She got it now 1/5 of that is. It means it's a 1/5 X. And to his son is 2/5 of that is. It means it's 2/5 X. Okay. Yes. So then remaining amount will become directly the amount only given, that is 21,000. See children, in that is total amount. From the total amount, sum of these both values means is wife and son. Both values if will be subtract from the total means is remaining amount will be get. Yes or no children? So based on this condition only we should be simplified this one now. Yes. So let the total amount of a person be rupees X. Okay, next. So 1/5 of his amount. Yes. So money received by his wife. How much will I? 1/5, 1/4. Yes. So next, money received by his son will become his. How much will I? 2/5. Yes. 2/5. Yes. Yes. So then remaining amount. Okay. Remaining amount is equals to, how should we this line? Total amount minus S, sum of these both amount, that is 1/4x plus 2/5x. Okay, so then remaining amount is how much is there? According to our problem is 21,000 is there. Yes, 21,000 amount is there now. Yes, so then if it be subtract will become 6, that is x/1 minus 1/4x minus 2/5x. So if you are taking as a LCM will become 6, 4 5s are 20 will be get. Yes. So then based on this one, 21,000 is equals to LCM will become 6. How much should we get this line? 4 5s are 20 means is x. 120 is 20. 20 into x is 20x minus x. 4 5s are 20. S 5 into 1, so 5x minus 5 4s are 20. 4 2s are 8x. S. So then our person becomes is 21,000 equals to S 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So 7x by 20. Yes. So now 20 how do we send this now? That is 21,000 into 20 by 7 is equals to x. Yes, understand? So then 7 1 side, 7 3 side, as is 3 zeros now. That is x is equals to, how much are we in this line? 3 to the 6. Yes. 6, how many zeros is? 4 zeros. Means is total amount is how much in the average person means is 60,000 rupees is there. Okay, totally how much is average children? The person is 60,000 rupees is there. Yes. So that 60,000 rupees is sharing like this now. Yes. So now it means this first question is completed. How much money did he now? Means is that the total amount of the person is 60,000. Okay. So therefore amount of a person is 60,000. Next, yes. So we have to be find that both amounts also children. Yes, amount received by his wife is equals to how much potential and wife will become is 1 by 4. Yes. So 1 by 4 into 60,000. Yes. So then 4 ones 8 will become 6. 4 ones are 4. Remaining 20. 4 5s are 8. Next 3 zeros. It means is how much she is getting. That means is 15,000 rupees is she got it. Yes. As well as son also. Yes. We have to be find that son share also children. So then amount received by his son. Yes, amount received by his son. So is equals to how much what is given? 2 by 5. Okay. So then 2 by 5 into x value how much you got children? 60,000. So 5 ones are 8. Yes, 5 ones are 5. 10, 5 2s are 8, 10. Next 3 zeros will become 6. So 12 2s are 24,000. Okay. Yes. So 24,000 rupees is son. Yes. The children understand now. So this is the process to find this solution. I hope you are all understand about this concept regarding this class. If you are having any doubt, please contact me. Thank you. Jai Sri Gurudev.